welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and today's video, guys, we will do unboxing the Spring Edition eyeshadow palette from Yves Rocher. So there is 4 different types of colors inside, and yeah, we will open it so we will see the colors. Okay, so as you can see, the packaging, guys, look, it's very bright, like my flower. Okay, so it's like that. Just open it like this. Okay, so this one is Sunny Side. Okay, this one is Peachy, Morning Dew, and Flashlight. So what good thing about this is, if you don't know how to put makeup, there is a guide, okay, or this one. So up to you guys what you would like to wear. Okay, so we will try this one. Okay, so we will try this. So first you have to put number 1, the yellow, number 2, this one, and number 3, this one. I will just be using my hand. Okay, so number 1 is My Sunny Side. Okay. To him. Okay, number 2 is the Peachy. Okay, the corner. More. Wow, it's nice. Okay. More yellow, more Sunny Side. Okay, it's nice. Okay, so number 3, the Morning Dew. Okay, in the middle. You just have to use your 3 fingers. It's easy. Okay, so now we will put middle. Okay, so okay, number 2, G, number 3, Morning Dew. Okay, wow, I love it. And after you can put, there is no 1, 2, 3 only, but this one, the flashlight, you can put here. Okay. it, guys. Look at this. I love the color. It's really spring and summertime yellow, bright colors. Okay, so the price of this one, guys, is €12.06, but I bought this one less than 30% off, so I got it like €9.06. I love it. It's worth the price. I'm ready for spring and summertime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye.